Hello friends, today's topic is Factory Act 1948. We will revise firstly what we have discussed in our previous class. Applicability of the Act. Please recap this. It applies on all factories. It applies to whole of India including Jammu and Kashmir. It applies on all workshops if they fulfill condition of factory by whatever name called. If an organization name itself as a factory but it does not fulfill condition of being factory, it will not be a factory and Factories Act 1948 will not apply. Basic objective of the Act. Worker work in safe environment. Means safety of worker is ensured in this Act. All workers must work in safe environment. Health of worker is maintained. Means health is the must priority for the workers. Welfare must be adopted. Special provision are made for women and young workers. So we have revised what we have taught in previous class. Today's first topic, meaning of factory. Factory means any place or premises where manufacturing process is carried out by 10 or more workers. In case of working with power, 20 or more workers if working without power. It means any manufacturing process cannot be a factory. There must be also be a specified number of workers. Means without any worker there will be no a factory. If Factory Act are once applicable shall remain applicable forever. Mines, mobile unit of armed forces, hotel, restaurant, eating places and railway shed are not factory. If particular organization is factory, all its components which are within the factory premises shall also be considered factory even when they are not doing any manufacturing process. Means the factory once applicable it shall be applicable forever. If particular place or premises is not factory and same manufacturing is carried out outside the premises, it will not also be a factory. So we have taught today's new topic, meaning of factory. Meaning of factory means any place or premises where manufacturing process is carried out by 10 or more workers. In case of working with power, 20 or more workers if working without power. It means any manufacturing process cannot be a factory. There must also be a specified number of workers. मतलब कि केवल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस होने से वो फैक्ट्री नहीं है, कम से कम वर्कर भी होने चाहिए और वर्कर्स 10 या ज़्यादा इन केस ऑफ वर्किंग विद पावर और 20 और उससे ज़्यादा अगर वो विदाउट पावर है. इफ फैक्ट्री एक्ट वंस एप्लीकेबल ये फॉरएवर एप्लीकेबल रहेगा. माइंस, मोबाइल यूनिट ऑफ आर्म्ड फोर्स, हॉस्टल, रेस्टोरेंट, ईटिंग प्लेसेस, रेलवे शेड ये फैक्ट्री में नहीं आते हैं. If a particular organization अगर फैक्ट्री है तो all its components which are within the factory premises shall also be considered factory even they are not doing manufacturing process. If a particular place or premises is not factory and some manufacturing process is carried out, such premises will also not be considered a factory. Thank you guys. Today's topic has taught.